Hello, hello everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with a sneak peek of the Journey hat box. It's the Journey Vintage hat box. It is so cute. Look at it. How gorgeous. A mini album inside. I will share that with you. It's got three closures. So we're going to put a mini album in here. It's really adorable. This piece, I call it the Journey hat box because, okay, Faith. I'm talking to Faith on her walkie talkie. Because it stacks with the other Journey projects. So here's a Journey suitcase, hat box, and then the terrain case, which, oh my gosh, let me show you on the side, see if I can get you a side. Look at this, guys. Look at this stack. How fabulous of suitcases. I'll have a photo. I'll have a photo of everything. So you'll be able to see them one on top of the other. And of course, these papers are not the same because the train case was, you find it in the Fall Days CMC. The hat box, you find it, this project is in the Celestial CMC. And then the suitcase is just a standalone project. All right. You can get all of these individually and in the CMCs. So be sure you check out the CMCs because in the CMCs you get the paper collection and you get several other projects. All right. So you always want to check out the CMC and it is 50% off right now. So check this out, guys. How gorgeous. Look at this handle. This is a Craftex handle. Again, the hardware in the shop and just so many fun things that we can do with this. So I used three pieces of hardware here, and you guys are not going to be happy with me, but I use them. You'll need two hardware kits, all right, because each hardware kit comes with two. Why does it come with two? Because you only need two for the train case, and you only need two for the suitcase. I got fancy with the hat box, but it calls for it. So if you're going to make all three pieces, you need four of these. All right, four. And listen, this is perfection. So good. So good, guys. Look at this. It's just so good. You're going to really love making this one. Oh, did I mention we have pre-cut chipboard if you want it in the shop? Everything will be linked in the description box below. Let me know what you think about this darling hat box because I'm excited about it, guys. So excited about this beauty here. It truly is a beauty. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to hear what you think about this project.